Hi, it's Clark Reid with today's tech headlines. Give us a like if you like the reports by mashing that like button, and you can also subscribe so you'll know when a new report is posted. Alaska Airlines is going to remove all of its airport kiosks in Seattle, Portland, San Francisco, and LA and replace them with iPad-based stations, claiming it will get passengers through airport lobbies in 5 minutes or less. GeekWire.com reports the iPad self-serve stations will let flyers scan their boarding passes quickly to print out the bag tags instead of entering a confirmation code or the like, and they also plan to move to automated bag drops that use facial recognition to identify passengers, streamlining the bag drop process, which means each station won't be staffed by Alaska agents. That seems pretty iffy to me. It may end up like one agent covering 4 or 5 stations, like the self-checkouts at retail stores that often hang up or don't work right. Right now, about 70% of passengers check in ahead of getting to the airport, that is, and most of them use mobile boarding passes on their smartphones. As of today, only a handful of EVs qualify for the full $7,500 federal tax credit. According to Engadget.com, those are the Cadillac Lyriq, Chevy Bolt EUV, some Tesla Model 3 versions, some Tesla Model Y versions, and Ford's F-150 Lightning pickup. This is due to strict new guidelines relating to EV batteries and to cutting out China as an approved trading partner. There are some other models that may qualify for a half tax credit of $3,750, but if you want the full tax credit, you know what you need to buy now if you're moving into an EV. Rumors point to Google rolling out the Pixel Fold phone at the I/O Developer Conference coming up on May 10th. BGR.com says the phone may be available for pre-order from the Google store that day, but it's going to be a long waiting period because right now the release date to the public is scheduled for June 27th. The Pixel Fold will run $1,799. Also coming at the developer conference, the Pixel 7a, the more affordable Pixel phone. That should be showing up in stores in the next 2 or 3 weeks or so. On the subject of Google, there's apparently a degree of shock and panic as the word got out that Samsung was thinking about dumping Google as their search engine in favor of Bing and ChatGPT. ArsTechnica.com notes that that'd be a big blow to Google to lose one of Android's biggest manufacturers. This is why Google has rushed ahead with shipping, or introducing at least, Magi, their own AI-powered search engine tool. First wave of those features comes out in May, as we said earlier in this report. But the dangling a carrot from Magi is just a deal to try to get the Samsung people to stay in the fold. The Google search contract is under negotiation, and Samsung is talking to them about it, but they may be using Bing and Microsoft as a lever to try to get a more favorable deal out of Google. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.